Hi everyone, I'm going to explain the task 2.2c, which is connected to 2.1p of Embedded Systems SIT 210. So, first, I'm going to explain what is Morse code. The term Morse code refers to either of two systems for representing letters of the alphabets, numerals, and punctuation marks by an arrangement of dots, dashes, and spaces. The codes are transmitted as electrical pulses of varied lengths or analogs, mechanical or visual signals such as flashing lights. The two systems are the original American Morse codes and then at the later international Morse codes, which became the global standards. It is basically a method of telecommunication to encode text characters as standardized sequences. It is named after Samuel Morse, who was one of the inventors of the telegraphs. This is how a Morse code represents. Dots and dashes are the standardized notations used here for different signals. For A, it is dot and dash, and all the sequences are followed again. So basically, in this task, it involves the current creation of the Morse code representation that is derived from an individual's given name and surname. The objective is to apply this Morse code representation in the built-in LED function of Arduino Nano 33 IoT device that is present on the pin 13 of digital pin 13 of the Arduino device. Further, the procedure necessitates the development of an Arduino code over the LED to blink it on the conformity with the specified Morse code of dots and dashes. The hardware requirement for the uh, task was the Arduino Nano 33 IoT device, a push button, a micro USB cable, which was used to connect the Arduino Nano 33 IoT with our laptops, and obviously the Wi Fi enabled devices are laptops and smartphones. So now I'm going to represent my code. This is my code, and in this code, the first line is about my name that I have entered. My name is Khushi. This is a comment indicating that the name is which name is associated for the Morse code. Then comes the void setup function. In this setup function, the code basically initializes the built-in LED which is over the D13 pin. Then comes the dot function. It is a customized function, first of all, we need to understand. And it turns on the LED by setting up the function on the high pin and then gives a delay of 300 seconds. First of all, high is defined here, and then there is a delay of 300 milliseconds, and then there is a low defined here, which turns the LED low by and has a delay of 1000 milliseconds. Then comes the dash function. It is again a custom function. It turns on the LED over the high for the 500 milliseconds, and then the digital write LED built in low function turns the LED on the low and gives the delay of 1000 milliseconds. And then comes the loop, void loop function. It is the place where the Morse code for the name Khushi is encoded and transmitted for the LED. See, I have defined here the Morse code for my name for all the letters. For it is defined for letter K, for letter H, for letter U, for letter S, H, and I. All are defined. For example, for K, the first code is dash, dot, and dash, and then I have given a delay of 1 second for going over the next function, that is the H. And here, the last, I have done a delay of 10 seconds for terminating the code. so that at the end
Yes.
we get to know that the code has been terminated.